Here I've got Vernee Thor Plus, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications. Then find and select the settings, which are here. Scroll down, find and pick Backup and Reset. And now go to Backup My Data. Simply click over here and now enable this option by tapping on this switcher. So let's go back. And now you can add your backup account, so simply click on backup account over here, and it's time to log in with your Gmail address. Just give your device a few seconds to check all the information, and now over here enter your phone number or email address. So in my case it's email address HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com, and then click on next. Now enter the password, so if you would like to see what you are typing, click on the eye icon and then it will be all visible to you. So let me enter mine off the screen. And now click on next. It's time to come along with all Google terms of service and also privacy policy. So let me pick, for example, this one and just read it. And if you agree with all the documents, click on I agree. We know that it's not backup now, but it will be within a while. So now, as you can see, here is the option of backup to Google Drive. Accept it to confirm your selection of these Google Services settings, and that's it. So as you can see, here is your backup account, the email address, and from now on your data is saved as all the contents are backed up by Google. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.